Hello, welcome back to the channel. Haven't posted in a while, been super busy with work and other crap, but it's been a very good day at work today, so I felt motivated to do some more work on the car and do some other videos for you guys. Got the new S550 style lights, pretty nice. And tomorrow we're getting hopefully both shipments, but at least one of them. We'll be doing another seat swap, so bear with me on that. I love these Recaros, but I really like the new GT350 Recaros. And I don't know if anyone's done it. I haven't had the time to look, but found the set for a smoking deal, so I took the bullet. We'll see. We'll make them work. But today we're doing other things. So I ordered recently from this guy, what's his name? Brandon Morgan, also known as Brandon66 Polar on Instagram. He does these pretty bitchin' diffusers for the backside. There you go. So I got it in the mail a while ago. I felt somewhat motivated to finally get it installed. It should be a fairly easy install. So I'm gonna get this put on and see how it looks. I used some black engine paint. It is a little chilly outside, but it did just fine. It is a little heavy in a couple places, but it's a diffuser. So no one's really gonna sit and analyze the paint and see if there's any over paints or whatever. It's a little heavy on whatever. So, yep, looks pretty decent. We're gonna put that in the back of the car, and we're gonna do a quick video of putting it on and see how it looks afterwards. So you're back in a second while I shuffle some stuff around over here. It's a mess in the garage just because I have way too many projects I started, way too many. So we're gonna have to finish some of these by the end of the year. So probably I'll be posting some more videos. So back in a second. Alrighty, we're back in here. I got the diffuser dropped on the floor. Got the installation instructions, which look super easy. It's probably going to be like a 10-minute install. So let's see, can we do it in 10 minutes? Unbolt 2 bolts, replace the bolts, put the diffuser, and drill 2 holes and screw the shit in. Should be easy. Alrighty, so there are 2 bolts right here that hold this little shield. So I gotta take them off. They're 11 millimeters, so this should be like a quick 10-second. So I took the 2 bolts out. The kit comes with a bag of bolts, and they're just a little bit longer than the old ones, as you can see. So we're gonna kind of mount this diffuser. My lucky day. I gotta do some cutting. He mentioned that I might have to do that. So we'll be back tomorrow after I get this thing cut out, because I do not want to wake up the neighbors tonight. So we'll be back in a bit. With the magic of video editing, this should be just a quick second, so I'll see you in just a second. And we're back. I managed to chop this. As you can see, it's got a nice little ridge in it on one side and on the other side. So let's try this once again. I got a couple places where the paint's a little chipped, but what I'll do is I'll mount it first and just do a little touch-up spray. It's easier because if I do any other scratches right now, I'm gonna have to touch it up anyways. So let's try it one more time. can see there's one hole right here that I need to drill. It'll go through the bottom of the bumper. I'm gonna put that through, thread it in, and then we're gonna have to take these ones out. These other ones, we're gonna have to take these ones out again once we thread in the when we work on the upper bolts right here. Then we go and put these back on, and then we should be good to go. So let's do that. Okay, ain't no fun if there's no blood. So, but yeah, it was a little bit more tricky to get it in because the center screws are a little more picky on the thread. It's kind of like just barely. It's kind of hard for the thread to pick up, but yeah, we got it in. I need to do a little bit of a touch-up on it. So let's get the spray paint, and we'll be good to go. So hold on a second. And there you have it. The nice wind diffuser for the Mustang. Maybe in the next video I'm going to do a... Ooh, this looks nice and dirty. Since 24 hours passed since I started this video, half of the seat project came in. Got these guys. They're in really rough shape, but all I need from them is the rails and the electronics. So we should be in good shape with that. And then I think tomorrow I'll get the GT350 seats, and we should be ready to get started on that. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and subscribe, please. Have a good one.